How to fix if Safari cannot open the sites on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing first, you need to head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and move into apps. Search for the application Safari and then move into it. Once you're inside the settings of Safari, scroll all the way down and move into advanced. Now tap on website data at the top. Click on Remove all website data. Once again click on Remove now. Once done, now go back to the previous page of Safari. And then click on Clear History and Website Data. Once again tap on Clear History. After that, you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.